Welcome. In front of me I have the Honor Band 6, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this band. So let's start off by popping it open. I just need to get something to cut this. And we do have a little arrow to pull, probably upside down. There we go. Nothing inside of the box here anymore, so drop it to the side. Then we got the relatively small band, to be honest. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. And what do we got in here? So we got the charging cable, we got some paper, and that's about it. Nothing in here. So let's just also yeet that out of the way. And we get this USB magnetic charger for this, so it's nice that we don't have to like clip it and do any kind of weird stuff with it. Just should be fairly easy to charge. Actually, just popping it out, you can clearly see it just should magnetically snap on. Yep, there we go. So you can see, fairly easy. Anyway, let's power it on. Now we do only have one button on here. And there we go. Now while it's turning on, I'm going to quickly say a couple different things about, number one, the display. So it's a 1.47 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels. And this is, and I'm not even joking, what they call 2.5D curved glass. Now what they mean by this load of crap is that the glass, if you flip it over, is a little bit curved around the edges. It's basically rounded. It doesn't mean that the display is curved, for instance, like on the Apple Watch 46 inch one or 46 millimeter version, where the glass is literally curved, like for instance on this phone. This is just the edges are rounded, the glass is rounded, and that's about it. Now anyway, I will most likely need to get a application for this, so let's see. I'm gonna quickly try to download it. Download Health on the phone, and yep, so let's just go to the Play Store. Now it's not really specific what health are they talking about. As you can see, if you search for health on Play Store, you have a bunch of different things. Unsurprisingly, there is more than one application that uses word health. So let me just maybe add Honor. So it's redirecting me to Huawei. So let's, I guess, open that one up. I do already have this application, so I don't need to actually download it. That's because, well, this is a Huawei phone. So let's see, discover, add, scanning, and oh, there we go, link. Great, I need to log in. That's always nice, where you just are forced to log in. Unless I can use Google account. So let's see if this will work. Hey, it seems to work. So you can use Google account instead, which is actually a nice little touch. Allow. Okay. So we do have a couple different watch faces to choose from. This is just the default one. Okay, I can just eat the phone out of the way. It's done its purpose right now. So anyway, outside of the typical stuff that I just mentioned at the screen, the battery life is rated apparently for 14 days. Now I assume this is a lab test where they basically turned off everything, all the night monitoring stuff, like for instance black oxygenation, sleep mode and all that stuff, heart rate. So just keep that in mind, that this is probably the best case scenario that you will get. So yeah, that being said, the band itself is rated also for 50 meter depth waterproofing, so that's also nice. You can basically dive with this band, which is better than actually some of the bands out there. Also has 10 sports mode, which auto detect, so they will automatically start tracking by detecting what you're doing. So that is also a really nice thing. You don't need to fiddle around and look for the mode. Now, honestly, I have no idea how well this works. I have never used this band. As you can see, I just literally unboxed it. So those auto detect modes might not work as great, but that is something that you would need to test around. And obviously, it comes with all the typical things like heart rate monitoring, blood oxygenation, and sleep tracking for all the people that want to track basically everything. So anyway, this is the band. It's fairly compact. It is more like a sports band rather than something. It's honestly really similar to Huawei band, although the Huawei band is a little bit bigger than this. This is honestly like a wider version of the Xiaomi Mi Band. So anyway, it's still really nice, and that's all I have to say about it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.